The Dumor barCreaser comes in two parts. The creasing head comes in case number 1, and the air blower pump comes in case number 2. The outfeed table and the accessories come in case number 1 with the creasing head. Installing the air tubes from the Dumor creaser, the suction air tube, so and so, and then doing up the worm clips, and then the blower air tube which runs to the blower outlet. Just do up the worm clips. Connect the power cable, it's a one-way fitting. Connect the signal cable, which is also a one-way fitting. Installing the outfeed table, it just hangs onto the end of the machine. You can adjust the side guides in the slots, narrower or wider. Adjusting the angle of the venturi for the air entry according to the thickness of paper. For thin paper, you may want it further forward, and for heavier paper, further backwards. This is for adjusting the front guide so that it lightly touches the paper to guide it straight into the feeding roller and the creasing bar area. Adjusting the disc separator up and down and forwards and backwards according to the thickness of the paper and the stiffness of the paper. The air dump valve in order to reduce the amount of air blast so that the sheets don't float too high. By removing the top cover with the top cover safety switch, you access the nuts and the accenters to adjust the blade height up and down. You undo the nuts and you twist the accenters at the same direction, the same amount, to go and raise and lower the blade to have a deeper or less deep crease. Also, you can adjust the skew of the machine by loosening this knob and by moving the lever accordingly to compensate for skew on the cut of the sheet. A new program. Press New Sheet, say Yes, and then enter your line values, in this case 100, 110, and then Escape. Your programming is already done and you're ready to run. Memorizing a program. Press the diskette and you'll access the QWERTY keyboard. You can then type in whatever name you want, in this case DUMOR, and then enter, and the program is saved. In this case, we've already saved the program under this name, so we cannot save it a second time. So the machine will intelligently tell you. So in this case, we will call it something else. Entering a batch amount. Press batch, then press the number that you want, in this case 1000, and then enter. Then escape. Entering the quantity. Press quantity. Press the quantity that you wish, in this case 1000, press enter, and then your machine is ready to